Welcome to Theme Park Films, where we talk about all of the information you need about roller coasters and more. Today, I'll be talking about Mr. Toad's Wild Ride in Splash Mountain. Disney is past being replayed again, so make sure to subscribe to get all the information you need about roller coasters and more. And let's get started right away. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride in Florida was one of the Magic Kingdom's opening day attractions. Mr. Toad's Wild Ride was also based off the book The Wind in the Willows, while Splash Mountain is a log flume with some dark ride scenes at Walt Disney World Resort, based off the characters and stories of the songs from the 1946 Disney film Song of the South. Both of these rides have a place in Disney history and controversy between these rides being removed. During the 1990s, under the CEO Michael Eisner management, the Disney parks went through significant budget cuts. Attractions considered outdated or too costly were removed or replaced with new rides believed to be more marketable. Such was the case with Disney World's version of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Even before closing, the ride has lost some of its appeal, as the new emphasis on the efficiency pushing riders through limited the potential of the near crash gag between the two tracks. Yet the ride was still very popular for visitors, with the upgrade of the 4-passenger car in 1993 boosting the ride capacity, but then Disney decided to close Magic Kingdom's version for good. However, the fans didn't let Mr. Toad go down that easy. In 1997, Disney released a statement that they were considering replacing Mr. Toad's Wild Ride with the Winnie the Pooh-themed attraction in Magic Kingdom. The fans were devastated when they heard the news. They even started their own webpage called Save the Toad webpage, an electronic Toad Hall for fans to leave comments as well as mailing lists for subscribers, and that was just a start. In the early period of the internet, the electronic Toad Hall still managed to bring the cause to fans worldwide. The fans distributed their own t-shirts, posters, and other materials to state the issue. Participants in the Save the Toad campaign regularly conducted peaceful Toad-ins at Disney World. People came from all over the country and gathered outside of the Magic Kingdom attraction, and they shared their concerns with the other guests. Though the protesters were overall polite, their numbers worried Disney enough to station the guards around the ride. So this is the first issue with the ride that had the protesters worried. So this happens again, but to another ride called Splash Mountain. So this is the fight to save Splash Mountain. During the 2020, under the CEO of Bob Chapek's management, the 1946 film of the Song of the South has been race-related in the post-Civil War South, among the other problems, and was latest released in the year of 1986. With the media discussing this issue once again, it involves Disney to want to fix this issue. So Disney starts to fix this issue by saying they're going to make Splash Mountain rethemed into Princess and the Frog. But Disney fans are not happy about this. They do not like this at all. They even made a petition with 92,000 signatures to keep Splash Mountain in its original form. But it looks like Disney is not listening to the fans again. This is a classic ride at Disney that they want to retheme. It's not going to be a good result. Make sure to subscribe to get all of the information you need about roller coasters and more. And that was how Disney replayed this feature twice with two rides.